for Jackie, and we've got a lot of wind out there right now, and hopefully it'll be gone by the weekend.
Yeah, we've had enough of it. My goodness, it has been downright blustery out there, and yeah, it's almost become sort of a headache, if you will, with how strong these winds have been, blowing around those decorations and just making it tough to be out and about. And then again, we are unfortunately still going to deal with some stronger wind gusts until around 10, even 11 o'clock tonight, which is when these wind advisories and high wind warnings are set to expire from the National Weather Service. But again, some bit of good news that came in within the last hour or two. They have trimmed back this wind advisory out of some of our southern counties, and the high wind warnings across the eastern panhandle and over into Washington, Frederick counties, those have been downgraded to wind advisory. So there already are signs that we will see improvement with each passing hour in terms of the wind. Now, out toward the mountains, there's also a winter weather advisory. Garrett, Mineral counties, some snow showers coming along with this drop in temperature and all of the wind. The rest of us, though, no sort of precipitation really to worry about, thankfully, as we head into the weekend. Here's where things stand, though, with those winds. We are still dealing with steady wind speeds coming out of the west of 20 to 25 miles per hour for the most part across the northern half of the area. Things are calming down to the south, which is, again, a big time reason why that advisory was allowed to expire. And then as we look off to the north as well, there you go. Those stronger wind gusts are still happening, upwards of 45, 50 miles per hour in a few spots. And out toward Kaiser, look at that, nearly 60 miles per hour still being recorded with those wind gusts. So yeah, it is going to take a little bit more time. But the good news overall is that we have not experienced too many issues from this, at least as of this hour. We haven't had a lot of wind damage reports, and as far as power outages, well, we don't have any at all, but we certainly only have widely scattered numbers of power outages across the area, with out toward Mineral County and then into Berkeley County seeing the highest numbers, at least at this point. So that's at least some good news. We are managing to get through this as we head into the night. Now, it certainly is getting colder. Temperatures have been tumbling since early this morning, and now we are all heading toward the freezing mark and fast. And with how much wind is still out there, those temps in the 30s and 40s feel more like the 20s and 30s, and that wind chill is going to continue to be a factor. But like I mentioned earlier, other than a few snow showers out toward our mountain counties and right near the Pennsylvania-Maryland line in Washington and Frederick counties, we are not seeing any precipitation. Things have been clearing out because of all of this wind and the drier, colder air it's bringing in. So here we go, heading toward the 8 o'clock hour, still dealing with those stronger gusts across the northern half of the area. Things calmer to the south, but as we head through the night, we will finally see those winds let up, including across our northern counties. It's not going to go totally calm as we head into the day on Saturday, but there will be a drastic difference in terms of that wind finally calming down to a point where it's not going to cause any problems. But again, that colder air, it's going to remain. We'll drop down into the 20s tonight, and then we will only bounce back into the mid-40s on Saturday. But we do at least see a little bit of a warm up on the first day of winter Sunday, chilly Monday, and then as we head on toward the Christmas holiday, it's going to be relatively quiet with warmer temperatures likely by Christmas Day.